How to adjust brightness in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the brightness in VLC Media Player to make your videos look perfect. Sometimes videos are too dark or too bright and it can be hard to see the details. Luckily, VLC has built-in tools that let you change brightness, contrast, saturations, and even gamma in real time. So make sure you watch the full video because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open VLC Media Player on your computer and click on Media, and then open File and select the video you want to adjust. Play the video so you can see the changes in real time as we adjust the brightness. Then you're going to click on Tools from the top menu. Select Effects and Filters from the drop-down menu or press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This opens the Adjustments and Effects window. The next step is going to the Video Effects tab. In the Adjustments and Effects window, click on the Video Effects tab. Here, you'll see multiple options like Essential, Crop, Colors, Geometry, and Advanced. Make sure you are on the Essential and Colors section. Here, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and gamma. You'll see sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma. To adjust brightness, move the brightness slider left or right until your video looks perfect to you. Moving it to the right increases brightness, moving it to the left makes it darker. You can also adjust contrast and gamma for better results. You can see the changes in real time as your video plays, so it's easy to get the perfect look. If your video still looks dark, check your monitor brightness as well. VLC adjustments work on top of your system settings. Some older VLC versions may have slightly different slider locations, so make sure your VLC is updated to the latest version. And well, adjusting brightness is useful for watching old or dark videos, correcting poorly lit recordings, improving visibility in tutorial or gaming videos, and making movies or music videos more visually appealing. And that's it. That's how you adjust the brightness in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.